messing around with it. So if we flatten this, and we just have the last rung be up here.
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
And then this comes down, and then maybe sweep out. I think, yeah, it gets too, this is too much of a slope up there, I think.
I agree.
I think it's just too much.
Yeah, because that's longer.
Yeah.
So if you can just stretch that.
I'm gonna do the little dog ear first, before I forget.
Before you forget. Yeah.
It's actually, it's a pretty consistent line.
Yeah.
A little
Right.
further. Okay.
Okay.
Tip it.
Yeah. And this is this. All the way down.
All the way down. Okay.
So we're going to mortar somewhere in here,
Right.
center.
Yep.
Okay, so we can round
That's
right
true.
to where that's flat.
That's true.
To be set and take care of the color.
Hogs out the wood. It just gets the big mass out, and then we come back with the spokeshaves to do the finer detail.
Yeah, yeah,
And then we just take it out on that.
yeah, I agree.
Down.
Okay.